Hi friends, I'm so glad you could be here today to learn how to draw something new and fun. My name is Alpha and I cannot wait to show you how to draw this fun snake plant today. So let's get started. We're going to need just a few things, some sketch paper. I actually just ripped this out of my sketchbook and just cut it in half because it was a rather big sheet. And you'll need a pencil, an eraser, and a good pen to go over it in. Because I like to draw in pencil because I love to erase and I don't like permanence. So I always like to draw in pencil and have an eraser on hand. This eraser and this pen will be linked. This is just a regular mechanical pencil. I wouldn't get too fancy or worry about it. So let's start. All right, I think we're gonna start with the little vase here. She's gonna be a little tricky, but we're gonna do it together, guys. So I like to start with the curve, and then we're gonna draw a line over here and a line over here, and then one kind of going down and another one going down. And this is why we draw in pencil. If we mess up, we can erase, so don't worry too much. And then one kind of going down this way, and one kind of, see, this one's a little higher than this one, but that's okay. Then we're going to draw a line, another line, and connect it to those. And there we go. Got our vase base. And now we can get started on the plant. So what I like to start with is, you kind of can see how the snake plant is kind of grouped together. So we're going to start with the outer ones first. And just kind of do this number. Don't get too specific. I'm going to put the tallest one going one direction. And of course you can face it however you'd like. And then we're going to fill in these gaps. Like so. Add as many or as few as you want. It is totally up to you. And then to that, sorry, I have allergies. We're going to complete this, and then we're going to get started with the outline. All right, here we go. Okay, now that we've kind of outlined it, let's go ahead and erase all the pencil lines that were there from before. So we have a nice clean drawing. And now what we're going to do is add in these lines, and I want you to feel pretty loose with them. Don't draw them straight, just kind of do a little wiggle, and that's going to be how we're going to draw in these little lines on this snake plant. And there is our beautiful finished snake cactus. I hope you guys loved learning this today. Don't forget to subscribe, and that way you won't miss a video when another one goes up. And I will see you guys next time for another video. Have a fantastic day.